Wado, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo, learn Urhobo language. Urhobo Uyono Urhobo is worth learning. Watch Urhobo, Wakimo, I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ogene Urhobo. We are still on 3-letter words in Urhobo. Ibiẹbe, ibieta, erha. Part 3, ẹbẹre, erha. Emu, food. Emu, food. Emu, food. Ọka, corn. Ọka, corn. Ọka, corn. Udi, drink. Udi, drink. Udi, drink. Obe, book. Obe, book. Ebe, books, which is the plural. Ebe also means leave. Okay? Uju, farm. Uju, farm. Udu, chest. Udu, chest. Eto, air. Eto, air. Ako, teeth. Ako, teeth. Just like I said before, we have 7 vowel. Vowel in Urhobo is a taruwo vowel. And a taruwo na, what are the ibiẹbe taruwo vo, obare ibiẹbe taivena, wakare ibiẹbe etaira. What I'm saying is this: if you automatically add a vowel at the beginning or at the end of 2-letter words in Urhobo, you automatically have 3-letter words. Okay, for example, so we have ma, me, me, mu, mo, mo, mu. So if you add a to mu, it becomes emu. Emu means food. And then we have ka, ke, ke, ki, ko, ko, ku. And when you add o to ka, ke, ke, ki, ko, ko, ku, o to ka, it automatically becomes oka, corn. And then we have da, de, di. So when you add u to di, it becomes udi. Udi means drink. And then we have ba, be, bi, bo, bu, ba, be. If you add o to be, it becomes obe, which is book. And then we have ba, bi, bo, bu, ba, be. If you add a to be, it becomes ebe, which is plural of books or leave. Okay, and we have uju, we have ja, je, ji, jo, ju, uju. If you add u to ju, it becomes uju farm. Okay, we have tateteti to, totu. So if you add a, which is a vowel, a taruwo, a to, it becomes eto. And then we have kakekeki kokoku. Kakekeki kokoku. If you add a to ko, it becomes ako. So it's easy. So Urhobo Uyono Urhobo is what learn. Why should you must speak Urhobo language to your children? Wado.